Hi, I'm Greg Lambrecht. I'm the founder and inventor of Coravin. We first launched Coravin in 2013, but I actually invented it when my wife was pregnant with our second son way back in 1999. I spent 11 years testing and developing it in my house before we launched. And it's been incredible as an inventor to see how something like that has been picked up by consumers like myself, by restaurants, by wine bars, by wineries, by the trade through distribution, and by importers. And to go from my basement to over 60 countries is incredibly satisfying. Just recently, we launched Coravin Sparkling. It's the first system that allows you to pour any sparkling wine by the glass. It took us 8 years to achieve this incredible task, and that's because we wanted to make sure that that last glass was just as good as the first, even a month later.
Developing the sparkling system was really one of the best things I've done in my career. The toughest part for solving sparkling wine was the balance between actual preservation and the usability, and doing that in a way that works across this broad spectrum of wines. It took a lot of testing. We tested on a lot of different bottles of sparkling, and we've designed our stopper that could attach to any size bottle. And we developed a charger that was very easy and intuitive to use.
From the time I founded Coravin, we had one mission, and that was to expand the way the world could experience wine. We wanted to make sure that you could pour any wine that you love, still or sparkling, and the last glass should be just as good as the first.